never compete, cause we were never even. I'm the one, still the one, I could give you 11 reasons. Rock a cucaracha, made him out of golfer. Answer to the altar, then the plan gon' prosper. Don't get lost in the hype sauce. Little hoe in the club look better with the lights off.
This a way, that a way, through canals and alleyways. Just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shading. That's just how I feel. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel.
So it's about time that I actually made a real video and not just these short little clips showing off what happened to the cars, and actually have an introduction and explain what cars I have, which cars are going to be shown, and what's going on. So first off, we're in my 98 B5 A4. This thing is just a daily beater. Not going to be a ton of fun stuff happening with this. Of course, we have my 2011 Q5.
This another one for the knock of the ages. I be ripping up these tracks like I'm ripping the pages. And my notebook quotes look more like the mazes that you find in the labyrinth. I'm driving you crazy. My crew got the verses while the others spitting curses. I'm Latino with the pelo chino and I'm at your service. Like a DJ, I'm just scratching the surface.
And there's been a lot of changes since that car was last seen and by anyone really besides myself. Then we have my 66 Beetle, which I'm very lazy about, and I haven't worked on that in far too long. I have pretty much everything new for that car. It's ready to go. I just need to find the time and motivation to put it all together.
Me and you gon' do you, but I'ma do it better. I'm strapped like Via with the thoughts of Zapata, and they speaking through me. I was born as a rapper. What?
And finally, we have my girlfriend's 2015 B8.5 A4.
Go back, go back.
I wanna be everything and more. I wanna be everything and more. Tell me if it's wrong, tell me if it's right. Tell me how the butterflies crawl when we kiss goodnight. And you can tell me how it feels to hold my hand, cause I won't be giving to you no one night stand. I am a woman with a strong sense of value. Ask me about it and I'll be about you. I find you charming and I know that you're top shelf. I say the same about myself. I wanna be your everything you wish, everything.
Takes one skip, trip, one skip, one skip, one skip.
Yo,
one skip,
what the
takes one
fuck,
skip.
man? You are fucking up, bro. Get it together, man. Get your shit together. Come on.